On September 19, 2024, a press conference was held at Divan Banquet Hall in Piscataway, New Jersey, to announce the highly anticipated celebration of 555th illumination anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the revered founder of Sikhism. The event themed Oneness, a Light for Humanity is scheduled for November 9, 2024 at Prudential Hall, NJ Pak in Newark. During the press conference, Oneness executives emphasized Guru Nanak Dev Ji's timeless teachings on unity, equality, and love for all of humanity. Organizers shared details about the event's cultural performances, panel discussions, and its focus on community service. The event is expected to feature performances by renowned artists like Harshdeep Kaur, Hargun Kaur, and Vilas Naik. Proceeds will support the Let's Share a Meal campaign, providing meals to the homeless.
आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपौर निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच एक ओंकार सतनाम करता
I want to answer this one also. मानस की जात सबे एक पहचानो. When God create the world, they no create religious, color, countries. They create only human being. That's why this stuff, whatever our religious teach us, that's for the whole world, is not for any religious at all. This is for whatever the God teach us. मानस की जात सबे एक पहचान हो. There is a no religious to be served to anything. This is for everybody. Thank you.
And I believe you very sincerely and honestly answer and apply your mind to the very, very important issue. How to get these young people. How very important it is to involve the young people who are going to take on the task of what you are doing today, say 20 years from now, or 30 years from now, 50 years from now. That is my one question. And there is another one question, keep laughing. So there is another question which I'll ask you later on. But for now, this is the question. And I'm very passionately involved in this kind of thing. an exercise. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the question. I'd like to answer this question as a mother of two Sikh boys. I'm raising two Sikh boys in the US, and I've asked myself that question, like, how am I going to be able to give the core values of Sikhism to my children? You know, it's going to be harder and harder. They don't speak the same language. Maybe they'll learn Punjabi, maybe they won't. But it's a challenge that we face living outside of India. One thing which I found really helpful, and Let's Share a Meal has helped me, execute that vision. When we first got introduced to Let's Share a Meal is through their food drive, which is conducted annually, and sometimes they do it twice a year. There's also the monthly food drive that is conducted, where food is prepared at the Gurdwara kitchen and distributed. So that was my way to give my kids an action to do. When I tell them something, kids learn better when we show them what our values are versus what we preach. We can tell them that Sikh stand for service, Sikh stand for equality, Sikh stand for social justice. But if we give them something to do, and through which they can understand the value of Sikhism and the core principles, like go to the Gurdwara, make langar, go distribute it to the homeless shelter, that for me was my way as a mother of two children to teach them the value of Sikhism.
Nanak Naam Chaddi Kala Tere Bhane Sarbat Da Pala. We are here at the press release of the Oneness event, which is scheduled for November 9th, and we would love to see you all. I think oneness is really needed at this hour of the day. There are wars going on in this world. There's so much of distress. We all need to come together for the better of humanity. So see you all November 9th. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So we are all here for the Oneness event. For the beginning of this or press release of the Oneness event. The event is supposed to happen on 9th November. Oneness is one of the most important messages of Guru Nanak. He started his whole message with a number 1, and oneness means that there is one supreme power that takes care of all humanity. So there is one power and one humanity, and that is the message we want to convey in that event. So please be there. We look forward to seeing you all. Thank you so much. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ श्री गुरु नानक देव जी के 555 गुरुपुरब को मना रही सारी संगत को गुरुपुरब की लाख लाख बधाई हो। ये गुरु नानक देव जी का स्पेशल 555 लेट्स शेयर ए मील की टीम अंडर वनएस नेम के नाम पे एनजे पैक में 9 नवंबर को मना रही है। गुरु नानक देव जी ने 3 हमारे को बेसिक रूल दिए थे, किरत करो, नाम जपो एंड वंड छको। एक वंड छको के नाम को लेकर लेट शेयर ए मील ने जहाँ भी किसी को ज़रूरत पड़ी वहाँ पे उनके साथ खड़े होने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। तो लेट शेयर ए मील की टीम ने अपने दिल जान लगा के उनकी हेल्प की, चाहे वो होमलेस शेल्टर हो, चाहे वो कोविड का टाइम हो, चाहे किसी भी चीज़ बंदे को किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो। तो दैट्स द वन हम कर रहे थे। तो उसी में से इस बार 555 बर्थडे गुरुपुरब हम मना रहे हैं एनजे पैक में। जो गुरु का उपदेश है वंड शको मीन हेल्प द नीडीज़। तो वो उपदेश को हम सारे मिलके, ना कि ओनली सिख धर्म में, दुनिया के सारे धर्मों में, दुनिया की सारी जनसंख्या को, सारी दुनिया के सारे लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए वो कर रहे हैं कि ये गुरु का उपदेश है। ये एक किसी सिख धर्म के लिए नहीं है, ना ही किसी पंजाबी के लिए है, ये सभी के लिए है। दिस इज़ फॉर एवरीवन के बी वननेस मीन ह्यूमैनिटी मीन्स के इक्वालिटी मीन्स के सारे एक हैं। जब पैदा हुए थे उस टाइम धर्म नहीं थे, अब सारे एक ही धर्म पे हैं, तो एक ही सोच रखते हैं, एक ही जैसे हैं, तो सभी को इक्वालिटी है। तो सभी की नीड, एक की नीड नहीं, सभी की नीड है। तो उस गुरु के उपदेश को गुरुद्वारा से बाहर ले जाके सारे धर्मों में पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही है लेट्स शेयर ए मील की टीम। आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी मेक इट हैपन ऑन बोथ वेज के ये धर्म का प्रचार हमारे गुरुद्वारा से निकल के बाहर तक भी पहुंच सके। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।